Dino Wesson back in here flexing. If you're watching this video, pause the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now let's get right into it. This is another heat check. I'm going through some of my heat, and I'm just doing some shoes worth a review. Alright, straight into it. These are something I rock on the regular, I would say. Something I just caught off the internet. I really wasn't up on game until I got them. Thought they was cool looking. Keep finding out more information about them. At first I thought they were Shake and Ndestrukt. These are Shake Evolves. These are shoes from Ndestrukt. It's one of his signature shoes. These are revamped version of the Shake and Ndestrukts. They're a little bit different. As far as comfortability wise, they're very comfortable. Like I said, I wear them pretty regularly. There's a 3M mesh under this overlay under this mesh. There's that red Nike sign. The black overlay over there is like a felt. Alright. Side portion of the shoe. On the lateral side, it's like a felt dark gray. Midsole is a darker gray, red bubble. The same felt gray on the part of the shoe. On the lateral side, here's the shoestring. Shoestrings is tied up. Has a different type of feel on the shoes. You tie them up on the side. 3M on this Nike on the strap. Strap these. Strap them. Velcro right here. That's not Velcro. Alright. Same red bubble right here on the medial side, the bottom side. Yes, I wore these a couple of times. On the outsole, it's red and it's a gray oversole with the red accents going along the shoe. The white Nike check sign. On the back of the shoe is that felt gray Nike Air logo on the back. Dark gray right here. Bumper just sitting over this red bubble right here. Red bubble on the inside of the shoe. It's an orange Nike Air. It's orange insole with the black Nike Air logo on there. On the inside, you see it says Ndestrukt. But based on my research, I can double check, but it said these were Shake and Evolves, revamped versions of the Shake and Ndestrukts. The size is 11. For me, I would say they're a tight fit, but that's what I like. But if you want to, you can go up half a size for comfort. These are size 11 for me. I usually wear 10.5, but these are overall comfortable for me. Okay, I'm gonna have a style code up there when I upload this video. You see, it's an overall solid, comfortable shoe. Something different. It's not a hype sneaker whatsoever. Well, I don't think so. I don't think it's a hype sneaker. Well, it's not hype. This came out in 2011. It's a pretty clean shoe. And y'all comment. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these. Is it too much for y'all? Y'all feeling them? How y'all feel about the Shake and Ndestrukts revamping? Coming out, re-releasing. Pause this video. Like, dislike, subscribe. Subscribe to this video. Subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. Let's build up the Dino Wesson family. Subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And like always, Dino Wesson, out of here.